Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Had another custom ordered Sea Ray 270 SDX just show up just in time. Still enjoy it in the summer here in Florida, sunny St. Petersburg. Going through its PDI right now, or pre-delivery inspection. This boat's probably going to deliver towards the end of the week, early next week. Beautiful boat, real Florida boat as I like to call it, nice and cool colors. Got the white 300 Verado, my favorite engine that you can put on these boats. You've got the stone interior, hides dirt really well, doesn't get hot either. Like the dune could get a little bit hot in Florida, even though it does look nice. And then walk along here over to the side, let me show you something. Oh, we'll walk to this side. We've got the 3-zone gel coat here, the white, then we've got the Sea Ray blue in the center, breaks up everything, really nice. And then of course, up on the very bow here, you've got the windlass on this boat, gonna haul your anchor, makes things easier to do by yourself. You can spec these boats out however you want them. What I recommend, come on down to MarineMax St. Pete, sit down with one of our Sea Ray specialists. We've built dozens and dozens of these boats, and we would definitely love to advise on how to make a really sweet boat that you're gonna get a better resale value on too. So, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Pete. This is a custom ordered 270 SDX outboard by Sea Ray, and we would love to walk you through your own custom build. See you guys soon.